Introducing the ResEase Fixing Clip for Speed Deck Ultra Concealed Fixed Decking, a breakthrough patented design engineered for low-pitch residential roofs, delivering speed, strength and a quieter home. With ResEase Fixing Clips, it's clip, click, done. Paired with Speed Deck Ultra, this system is designed to streamline your install and strengthen your roof from the inside out. Centralized fastening points and precision fit clips give you a secure, consistent connection every time. It's faster to install thanks to full-width clips that hold securely in place. And with corrosion-resistant, engineering-grade polymers, there's zero risk of rust, even in tough Aussie conditions. That means fewer materials, faster timelines, and compliance with BAL 12.5 and N4R wind ratings. Built for performance, built to last. No more creaks or clicks. ResEase helps control thermal expansion, reducing noise and keeping homes more comfortable all year round. Whether you're building, installing or living under it, ResEase Fixing Clips for Speed Deck Ultra gives everyone peace of mind. ResEase Fixing Clips for Speed Deck Ultra, the smart choice for low-pitch residential roofing.